So what's on the agenda of the board president's workshop? So as I look at the table contents, I'm only gonna be reading off what's on here. CSBA vision, mission, agenda, roles and responsibilities of board president. Activity, leading board meetings. Activity, what is your leadership style? Activity, understanding your EQ and practicing your leadership. Effective meeting management, providing leadership. Types of board meetings. Board study sessions, workshops, agenda formats, managing the agenda. Guidelines for behavior, facilitating skills, decision-making protocols, motions. Activity, amending or substituting a board motion, hearing public comments, dealing with crisis, conducting a meeting in crisis, managing contentious board meetings presented by CSBA Legal Services. Agenda, public participation, when is it required? Disruptions in the board meeting room, consequences for disrupting a board meeting, the roles of the president, board president, knowing the rules, prepare, share the rules. Role of the board president, lead from a position of strength, take action. Practical tips, disruptions in the board, activity, meetings, disruption scenarios, building a board culture, essential role of board president in creating a cohesive team, creating unity, setting the tone. Board temperature check, keep things on track. Collaborating with the superintendent, onboarding new trustees, tools and resources. What do you need to know about governance workshop? Board self-evaluation, board governance leadership calendar. Activity, what's your top takeaway regarding your role as board president? CSBA member resources and services. Looking forward to the board president's workshop at CSBA.